voltage fluctuations, unplanned downtime, equipment damage, rising maintenance costs. Switch to Selec's 3-phase static voltage regulators, engineered for precision, protection, and uninterrupted industrial performance. It maintains a stable output voltage between 380 volt to 415 volt, ensuring your equipment runs efficiently. Operating smoothly even with input voltage variations from 320 volts to 480 volts. Equipped to handle short circuits and voltage fluctuations, with voltage correction time of 20 milliseconds, protecting your crucial loads. Our SVR features overcurrent and overtemperature protection for complete safety. Ideal for industrial machinery and residential appliances, our SVR overcomes voltage issues like undervoltage, overvoltage,